Dear students, good morning. This is Manju. We are going to see the worksheet 1 for 7th standard social science. For the first question, take the correct answer. Classify the sources in the table. Here, some of the sources are given. We have to take the answer for which sources it is coming under. It is coming under which source we have to tick it. First one is Thiruvelangadu. It is a inscription. The second one, Prithviraj Rasu. It is coming under secular literature. Jittal is a coin. Marco Polo is a traveler. Like that, answers are given. Please mark the answers. Shall we go to the second one? Second is match the following. The first one, it is Brahmadeya. The answer is third one. Second one, Shaloboga. The answer is B. Fourth one. C is Pallichandam. Answer for that is fifth one. Velan Vagai. The answer is first option. Velan Vagai is gifted to farmers. And last one, Devasena. Answer is option 2. And then third one is match the literacy sources with its definitions and examples and make them as statements. They are given the literary sources, definitions and example. We have to match it. Biography. Biography definition is it is a self-written account of the life of oneself. Example given is first one, autobiography. The answer given directly. It is an account of someone's life written by someone else. And then third one is travelogue. Travelogue. It is written about account about the places visited by or experiences of a traveler. And the fourth one is chronicle. Chronicle means it is a factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. The examples also I have marked. Please mark the answers, students. After marked the definitions and examples, under this match it you have to write it. First you match it here. After that the same answers you should write under this table. Got it? Shall we go for another one? And then third one, Roman letter third. The question is find the correct pair. The correct pair is Venice, Marco Polo. Marco Polo. The fifth question is arrange the jumbled letters to find out the lands gifted by Cholas. The letters are not given regularly. We have to arrange the letter and we have to find the word in this section. Okay. So first one is Velan Vagai. Second one is Brahmadeya. Third one is Shaloboga. Fourth one is Devasena. Fifth one is Pallichandam. Sixth question is the authors and their books are shuffled in the box provided below. Sort out and place them in their respective column. So teacher's name is given in the first column. Second one is author's name. Authors given. Answers written in the answer column. You should write the answers correctly in the answer column. So you have to match it. Teacher's name and the authors you have to match it, and the answer, correct answer should be written in the answer column. Okay, make the answers, students. And then seventh question is, look at the image below and write answers for the question that follow. So given here image is given, this side questions are given. So by using this picture you have to write the answers here. For the first question, by what name do we call this image? This image is called inscription. So write here inscription. And then second question is define it. Define it. Which one you have to define? Inscription. So inscriptions are writings engraved on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temples, walls and metals. And the third question is, what do these kinds of images tell about? They tell about kings, royal degrees, dedications and wars. Uttaramerur inscription is found in Dash district. It is found in Chidambaram district. Eighth question. Look at the picture and answer. Students, first you look the picture thoroughly and then you have to write the answer. Name of the country where Ibn Battuta was born. Morocco. The name is Morocco. From which country did he start his journey? This is also the same answer. The country is Morocco. Which country is rich according to him? That country name is Egypt. Mention the trade, caste, conspiracy and ships of any three countries. It is India. Find out the city which was transformed from very special city into thoughtful forest. It is Delhi. And then ninth question is, find out who I am. So the four clue sentences are given below. From the clue sentences you have to find who is that. So the first clue is, I am the traveler from Venice. The second clue is, I visited the backwaters of Thoothukudi district twice. I noted that thousands of horses were imported from Persia and Arabia. I came to Tamil Nadu in 13th century to the Pandya Empire. Who is Marco Polo? Thank you, students. Mark the answers. I will give the next worksheet, that means worksheet 2 video, and the worksheet 2 answers in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel.